Hi, I'm Becky from Farm Girl. I just got done with my Pilates session, so it's like messy hair, don't care. But I thought I would start a quick video, and what I'd like to do is talk about Canva. Canva is a low-tech graphic design program. I happen to love it, and I thought maybe it would be fun if we all shared some of our favorite Canva functionality. So today we're going to talk about one of my favorite parts, and it's the frame or the photo grid. So I'm going to go up here to elements, and you see in my recently used, there's one right here. The little things with the sky and the mountains are really these photo frames, and this is a circle. So if I take and put it in my graphic, pull over a picture, then it goes right in there. And you can edit that picture. You can make it big so you only see the nose. You can move it back and forth to what you want. But there's lots of opportunities for you to play. But then you can size the whole frame once you get it in there the way you want it. So that is part one of my favorite of the day. And the second part is called a grid. And if you go to elements on the left and then down to grids and look at them all, you'll see there is a myriad of choices. But I just did one for someone the other day and they were like, wow, that's really cool. And really, it's one of the easiest things that you can do in Canva. So I'm going to take this one because it's got 3 different size photos. And you'll see that it automatically goes to the size of your graphics. So, and the background is coming through. If you want it smaller, you can do that. You can move it to whatever size you want. I'm going to go ahead and do it almost the whole size of this so it has a little frame around the edge. Now you have 4 photos. One that's definitely a vertical, one can be a little bit of both, and 2 side by side. So I'm going to go over to my uploads and maybe I will go grab some rodeo photos for y'all just so you can see how easy this works. So if you have an up and down photo, you can just push that right on in. If you have, it's a different kind of a photo. So these are 2 different people. You can probably tell that. And then you can put a couple of, I love this photo. And maybe a little, we need a bull riding photo. There's one. And you can tell that bull riding photo doesn't go real well right there. So I can move it so you can see the cowboy like that. Or I can just go ahead, if I click on it and hit delete, it takes it out. And I could actually put that up here. You just have all kinds of options. So I just wanted to share. This is one of my favorite pieces of functionality. Once you have this all in the grid like this, you can make it smaller or larger, or you can stretch the shapes, whatever you want. So it gives you some cool options if you're trying to do the progression of an exercise or different options for classes or that kind of thing. So that's it. If you're searching for them when you go to elements, some are called grid, some are called photo space grid, some are called photo grid, all one word. So you'll want to probably search for all 3 and see what you can find. Have a great day.